So we're out here at Chuckwalla, and for the drivers' battles, we happen to have 4 auto influencers. But only 2 will make it through. And so this session, they have roughly 2 or 3 sessions to run a good time, right? We'll check out the 4 times these auto influencers have run, and only 2 will go through for the final battle. So be on the lookout. We'll see who gets it.
I don't even want to know my time, to be honest, yet. We're gonna go back out for our second open session, so I'm hoping this next one I'll have a few of the corners memorized, but we took it fairly mild for this first run. A little bit of a learning process, but it's a lot stickier than I'm used to.
I think I'm doing okay. I don't know, it's got, I gotta get used to the track a little bit. There are a couple tricky corners, especially right now when it's a little bit colder. So we're gonna go back out there, see if we can get sub 2 in the old catfish. We'll see.
Saw Jeremiah out there in the Camaro. Dude blew my doors off. That car is gnarly. He's on 305s square, I think. I'm on 225s in the front and 245s in the rear. And he's probably just a faster driver than me. But I'm gonna do my best, yeah. If I can beat, I don't think the C5 has really done track stuff before. And I know Zach was saying that his M3 is not really ready for this, and he hasn't been here, so hopefully I have some advantage there, but I don't know. I'm just here to have fun.
It's a lot of fun. It was a little cold first session out, probably like 60 degrees. So I took a couple laps to get, you know, some temperature into everything. But once I did, it started feeling really good. The only problem I'm having is that I'm getting too much temperature into my brakes. And my brake pads are just like ceramic pads. My race pads didn't show up in time. So trying to take it easy on the brakes and just learn the track.
Just by looking at how these drivers attack turn 1, you can tell. Without me having to look at the numbers, I can tell who's out there just bombing on it. So we'll see what happens. Dude,
I'm gonna try and match your energy.
you and Ben just drove 3,000 miles and now you're out here racing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How was the trip for both of y'all?
Honestly, this is the stockest bone stock GTO, and it has been so nice on a road trip. Long gearing, cruise control, Apple CarPlay, I'm living the dream. But no, we were pretty well behaved, mostly because we knew we were gonna have to do a track day at the end of all this. And if we blow up a differential, if we break an axle, if we hit a crowd.
So you guys were pretty safe the whole way here,
Yeah.
knowing that you guys are gonna screw up your cars here at Chuckwalla.
And so after this track day, we still have to drive 2,000 miles home to Virginia, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
With the NTO1s out here,
Yeah.
how is it doing on the track? And how are you liking the track?
I've driven on NTO1s before. I've never driven a LS car at all on the racetrack, let alone a 3,800 pound car. I've never driven Chuckwalla before. So there's a lot to learn, but it's a super fun track. It's like really, really fast and flowing. Like all the corners link together, right? It's all about like min speed and like carrying speed through a corner. And the bad thing about the GTO is it's a very sleek body. Unlike the Mustang, it doesn't have big haunches. You can't fit any tire. So I'm running 245s in the rear and 225s, and it is cute.
But how's the NTO1s performing for you on track?
They're doing as well as they possibly could with the size that I have. Very progressive, like when the grip starts to go away, you really feel it. When I actually get the car into the corner properly, it'll load up nicely. Trying to get a 225 to carry 3,800 pounds through a corner, you know, I just don't have as much grip as whoever it is that I'm up against.
So how do you feel about how you're gonna do today in driver battles?
There was a learning curve, but I'm feeling like I can at least do a smooth lap. I know where the corners are going and stuff like that. I know like roughly where I should brake. You know, I think we're all new to Chuckwalla, so we'll all be leaving time on the table.
Everybody's new.
Yeah, it's just whoever can come up to like pace the quickest, I think is gonna do the best.
Who's the better Ben on a road course? You or Mustang Ben? Which one is it?
I'm gonna bet on myself. I'm always gonna bet on myself. I'm being diplomatic.
So he's Ben 1, you're Ben 2.
Yeah, but only because I'm twice as tall, I guess. Twice as good looking, twice as charismatic.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I love the confidence, and I don't know if you're better looking than the other Ben. I guess.
Ron, I'm gonna be honest, your opinion is not the one that I'm looking for.
how is that catfish Camaro hauling that much ass? It's got to be the driver. It can't be the car, but it's got to be the driver. But what do you got done to this thing?
Well, we'll pop the hood. I'll show you. It is it's an all stock.
All stock
from 2001.
That's what they say.
It is. I haven't touched this engine. It's got 40,000 miles on it. I bought it when I first moved out to LA, and I had a little bit of money, you know, and I couldn't afford a whole lot, but I ended up finding this, and you know, these are kind of slept on. I think people they don't get the respect they deserve. Now, the engine and drivetrain is all stock, but I got some suspension upgrades that make it so it's a little bit better out on track.
Key thing, folks, suspension's where it's at. So what kind of suspension you got on it?
So I have pretty much UMI's full catalog. It's got an upgraded K-member, upper and lower control arms. It's got Watts link in the back. It's got weight jacks in the back. Pretty much anything that you can get to stiffen this chassis up and make it ride more planted and not as, these cars stock, they tend to, you know.
Single axle in the back and they're floating like a Cadillac.
They tend to float, so it's pretty stiff now. And then I got 315 square running NT01.
That's a lot of meat on this
a lot
car.
of tire, yep, and Willwood brakes, and that's it, man. It's
How are you liking the NT01s out here?
They're great, man. They absolutely stick, and you know, it was nice and cool this morning. It's heated up a little bit this afternoon, and I haven't seen too much difference in you know, how the tires feel depending on the track condition. So even when it's warm out there, it's not getting too slippery or greasy, and it's staying planted. You know, it's a heavy car too, so that helps.
Wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
You're looking good out there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
If I were to put $500 on it, I got $500 on you, dog.
All right, take it. Yeah, wrap it. You saw it. 500. Who wants to bet?
Got
Any of you guys? Any of you guys want?
500 on it for sure. won driver battles. We had Jeremiah with the Camaro and Ben with a car he's driven 3,000 miles with the GTO all the way from Virginia. How did you feel?
Yeah, I feel pretty good. I don't know what times I did, but I feel pretty good. The car didn't blow up. Didn't have any major issues.
That's always a good thing.
I get to load it up on the trailer without having to spend any money to fix it, so I'm pretty happy.
Cool. How'd the NT01s work out for you?
They were great, yeah. They didn't, we had some, you know, it was a little cooler this morning, and they came up to temp great all throughout the day. They were predictable. I wasn't doing they weren't doing anything that I was worried about.
Nice.
They were great.
Yeah, you were flying out there, I saw it.
I was trying, yeah.
So Ben,
Yes, sir.
How'd you do out there today?
Basically, we had the same day. This isn't gonna drive into a trailer, it's gonna drive 2,000 miles home, but it's still running at the end of a track day, so that's a win. NT01s were phenomenal. If you look at them, it looks like I didn't even put any laps on them. These things last forever. Super predictable, super grippy.
So you think you beat Ben here?
I don't know. This GTO, these are like cousin cars. So if there's ever a time for
Brothers from another mother.
brothers
Yeah.
from another mother, that's right. Yeah.
Right on red too.
I would say I think Jeremiah's car is a little bit more built than mine. So I would hope that he's got he's got a time edge.
Where
on it.
would you flaunt something like this?
I think I'm gonna, you know, I don't have an antenna. If I had an antenna, I would tie it to the antenna and it would just flap all the way home.
This thing's heavy.
Yeah. No, I'd probably wear it to the gym and like wear it as
Nice,
like a deadlift belt or
nice.
something. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that would support my spine
You
really
think
well.
you think you can pick up girls with something like this?
Dude, anything's possible, man.
And the winner is Jeremiah.
Let's go.
Sorry, you sucked today, Jeremiah. I saw you out there. It was
Thank you.
insane.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it. Thank you so
We
much.
appreciate both of you
Congrats.
guys
I
coming out
appreciate
here,
it.
but
Yeah.
dude, you
Look
kicked
at that.
some ass
Look at
today.
that, baby.
And that's
Yeah.
your winner
Yeah.
of driver battles, and
Oh.
you can't beat that with the stick, especially with the overalls. That
Yeah.
really fits, especially with the hat and
Dude, the
everything.
red on red, it was meant to be.
Yeah.
And sorry, he didn't suck today.
He did not suck today. I sucked today. Yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe on Nitto Tire or Driving Line, and be sure to check out the latest and previous episodes on YouTube.
If you guys think that you can beat me and take this belt away from me, sign up in the link below. Good luck. It ain't gonna happen, baby. This is mine forever. You ain't got
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the Driving Line YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe before you leave. I'm Cleese McFarland. Hell yeah, brother. We'll see you later.